Very good morning, my dear friends. Myself, Professor M.H. Annaya, and in today's video, friends, we are going to study about the projection of a pentagonal lamina which is lying on VP on one of the sides with the surface inclined to the vertical plane. And friends, the question for today's video reads like this. A pentagonal lamina of side 30 rests on VP on one of its sides. So it's a clear indication that we have to place the lamina on the vertical plane such that one of the sides of that lamina is perpendicular to the xy line and obtain the top and front views of the lamina. Friends, next he says that the surface is inclined to VP. So before we move on to the second position, let's keep the lamina on the vertical plane with side AB perpendicular to XY and obtain the front view, a regular hexagon of side 30 mark it as A, B, C, D, E and obtain the corresponding top view, and very obviously friends, the top view of this lamina falls are obtained on the XY line, and that I have got by projecting all these points A, B, C, D and E onto this XY line. Friends, this is the top view and this is the front view in the initial position. Next it says the surface is inclined to VP. Friends, lamina was like this. Now I am going to just rotate this or shift the position of this D such that the surface of the lamina is making an angle with VP, and friends, the inclination to VP can be seen only in the top view. Friends, I will call the top view of length of this top view as M. Now I have to redraw this M here at an angle of 40 degrees to VP. Yes, it is 40 degrees to VP. So friends, I am going to draw a line here, and that line will have a length, that is ABD, that is this is AB and this is D, and the length of this is also going to be M. M is the distance that you can measure after construction of this top view. Friends, you have got AB and D. CE, you can just take this distance and mark on this. That point is C comma E. And friends, this is at an angle of 40 degrees to VP. Now friends, what happens? Since the lamina is just rotated about this, like this, the width which was so much gets reduced depending on the inclination. And let's see what is the front view you get. Friends, to obtain the front view in the second position, draw vertical lines through all these. That is through AB, through CE, and then through this point D. Friends, if we draw the vertical lines, draw horizontal lines through one of each of them separately. So to obtain point A dash, I write a horizontal line from A dash, a vertical line from A here. The point of intersection will give you A dash. Similarly friends, B, a horizontal line from B dash, a vertical line from B. The point of intersection will give you B dash. Similarly friends, E and D you will get. E falls on this, on the vertical through this, that is the point E dash, and for C you will get on this. So C and E fall on the same line, that is our point C dash, and this D dash comes exactly between A and B. So friends, you will get this point on the line through this D. And friends, you have got A, B, C, this is point D and E. You have got all the 5 corners of the lamina in the front view. Join all these by straight line. I join A to E, A to B, then I have got B to C, C to D and D to E. Friends, this is how the lamina looks when the surface is making an angle with the vertical plane. Friends, remember the length of this AB is 30 and this also remains 30 because this side of the lamina is on VP, the vertical plane. Now friends, we have got these points A, B, C, D. We have got the front view and top view, and is asking us to draw, obtain its projections when the side on VP is parallel to HP and nearer to it. Friends, here this side AB is on VP because it is seen as a point in the top view, and this AB here is perpendicular to HP. But as per the problem, it has to be parallel to HP and nearer to it. Hence, friends, I am going to redraw this compressed figure or distorted pentagon such that one of the side AB of that is parallel to the XY line or parallel to HP. Friends, to make the reproduction of this figure simple, I am going to enclose this distorted pentagon in a box, and I call that box, rectangular box, as PQRS. Say this is P, this point is Q, this is R, and this is S. So I am going to redraw this PQRS box here somewhere to the right side of this, such that the line PQ on which AB lies should be nearer to XY. So friends, I am going to draw the same box here. That box will have this length PQ and this height is equal to PS. So we can draw this figure anywhere above the XY line, and we'll mark this as PQRS. P, this is Q, this is R, and this point S. Friends, on PQ, you can take the measurement of PA dash, this gap, and mark the point as A dash. Similarly, B dash at a distance, same distance from Q, and this will be very obviously equal to 30 mm. So you got point A and B, or A dash and B dash. Friends, D comes exactly between S and R. So from here, if you write a vertical, this point will be the point D dash. Then on PS nearer to S, you have E. On PS nearer to S, we have the point E dash. Then on the opposite side, on the other edge, you have RQ, the point is C dash. Friends, we have got all the 5 points of the lamina for completing the front view of the lamina. So let us join A and B, that is A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, and E to A. Friends, this figure A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash gives you the front view of the lamina when the side AB, which is on VP, and remember this again has got a measurement of 30, and the side AB is nearer to the XY line. Friends, after getting the front view, let us see how to obtain the top view. Friends, to obtain the top view, we will draw vertical lines through all these. So let's get the points one by one. AB is here. So draw a vertical line from there, horizontal from here. You get this point A. Then B, vertical line from B, horizontal from here. You get this point B here. So friends, remember this AB, that remains the same since it is on the vertical plane. Friends, next you are going to get C and D on this line. How to get C and D, friends? Draw a vertical line from E, horizontal from here. This point is E. On the other end of E, you are going to get C. So draw a vertical line from there and a horizontal line from here. The point of intersection will give you the point C. So we got A, B, C. D comes exactly between A and B. So I can just write a vertical line through that, a horizontal line through this. The point of intersection will give you the point D. Friends, we have got all the 5 points in the top view. We'll join them by straight line. That is A to B I am going to join, then B to C, C to D, D to E and E to A. And friends, this figure A, B, C, D, E will give you the top view of the lamina with the side AB on the XY line. Friends, before we conclude, we can verify whether the solution we have got, that is the front view and top view in stage 3, satisfies all the requirements of the question. See friends, the lamina is having side 30, so even this will measure 30, and one of this that side is on the vertical plane, and hence you see the same length throughout 30, 30 and 30. This surface is inclined at 40 degrees to VP. Friend, this I have marked here. The surface is this line, that line ABCDE, that is at an angle of 40 degrees to VP, and we have got the corresponding front view with the width reduced because of the inclination to VP. Friends, we have redrawn this figure. Figure number this and this figure are exactly identical excepting for the orientation through 90 degrees in the second figure. We have drawn this figure with AB parallel to VP and parallel to HP and nearer to A. And then we have got the corresponding top view. Friends, that's all in this video. And friends, please go through the complete video without fail. And if you like this video, please do not forget to share the information with all your friends. And I thank you very much for watching my YouTube video. Have a wonderful day.